Hey there, welcome back to the Do It Right Tech channel where I take you through everything tech. And in today's video, I'm excited to be showing you a solution that I found to an old dilemma that I found myself in, changing how my icons look, but not the entire icon set. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. But don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. On that note, let's go. If you've ever found yourself wanting, like I did some time back, looking for a certain look on your phone, specifically the way a certain icon looked, and you didn't like the entire icon pack that you found online, but it was just specific to a particular application, here in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to change individual icons to whatever icon that you want. All right, so let me show you. So typically, you would have held onto your screen this way and tapped on themes. Then it's going to greet you with a Samsung themes place, and then you can come here into icons. So under Galaxy themes, you're going to find several icons here. You might like some, you might not like some. If I go to top, we're going to see the ones that I've downloaded and some of the other ones that I haven't but are free. So let's say I like this one. I can tap on this and then I can download it. Then I can continue to just apply it. It takes a couple of seconds and then that happens. As you can see here, this does not apply to every single application. It only applies to specific applications that are native to the Samsung applications themselves. We can see notes, we can see gallery, we can see my files, we can see things like this. Maybe I like how this looks, I like how that looks, but not the entire thing. So let me show you how to do this for individual applications instead of running it through everything. Now follow me as I show you. So let's revert everything. So we go back to the original. Now, this is back to original. So like we said, we just want to change how a particular application looks. In this example, we're going to come here and use this very WhatsApp business and watch this. The application that's going to be helping us do this very thing is going to be the Good Look application. Now, if you don't know the Good Look application, check the top right corner here as I have a card to a playlist where I show you everything that pertains to the Good Look application. So let me show you. So you're going to tap now on the Good Look application. Inside here, we're going to be greeted with several models, but the one we're going to be using is known as the theme pack. So we tap on the theme pack, and again, if you want to know more about the theme pack, I have made a dedicated video that you can check out. Okay, so here we have themes, we have keyboards, we have quick panel, icon, volume panel, but what we're doing here is the icon. So we tap on the icon. As you can see, I've created some icon packs. Now if we want to change the look of particular application that has to do with a particular icon pack that we found, this is how to do it. You're going to tap on create, you're going to be greeted with this, and then you're going to now tap on this top right corner here. Once you've done that, look for the application that you want to change its icon to, whichever one you want. So to help me with this, I'm going to change to light mode as the theme is dark. So here, now I'm going to select the icon that I want to change, which is going to be in this case gallery, and I'm greeted with all the icons that I've downloaded. So here I'm going to select this very one we downloaded, and then I'm going to pick the one that I want from it to represent that one. Okay, so we're going to pick this one for gallery, so we can tap on that, and now as you can see here, the gallery has changed. But what if the icon you're looking for is not one from an icon pack, but something that you've seen online and downloaded? Let me show you. So I come here into my browser, and then I go into magnific.com. Just to note, I don't have anything to do with them. I just found it, and it's for free pick. Just change to Magnific, and I think that I like what I get from there. So here I tap on this, and then I go to search, and I search for WhatsApp. Okay, and then I search. Once I search, I scroll through, and then I find one that I like, which in this case is going to be, I want a 3D floating style type, maybe this one. So I tap on it, and I'm ready to download it. Now I tap up here to download it there, and now it's been downloaded. So an important thing to do is to come here and select this, go to downloads, and you're going to find it here. Now over here, it's come as a zip file, so you want to tap on it to export that zip file. I'm going to go into my files, tap on this, and then I've got these two files. I don't need this. All I want is this image, so I'm going to extract it. And then now I have the image, and this is how the image looks like. So if we check it out here, there it is. All right, using my Samsung tools, I can hold on to this and then cut this out. I can save it as a sticker and then pick whichever style that I want in this case. So it's like this, and I hit on done. I have it as a sticker, or I can hold on to this and then tap on these three dots and then select save as image. So I have it saved as an image, or just to remove this background. All right. Then now I can come here back into the themes here and then look for WhatsApp business. Okay, and I select that. Now please note first and foremost that this is how it looks like currently. Okay, so the change we're about to make, I can pick either from the gallery or I can pick as a sticker. In this example, I'm going to be picking as a sticker. Look for the sticker that I produced and I'm going to tap on that. Now we have it looking exactly like that. Now once we're done with this, I can go back and we have the gallery change, and also we've got that other WhatsApp business change. Now that we're done, we're going to just get out of here. We can see here the change and see that also change. So once we've done this, I'm now going to come up here and hit on save, then change the name to new. Hit OK, give it a couple of seconds, and that has been created new. So now I'm going to tap on this and then apply it. Once I've applied this, now I leave and go into the screen, and now I have an icon for my WhatsApp business looking just like this. But if I also come here, I'm going to find the gallery alone looking like this. So yes, this video is going to be helpful for individuals who are seeking to change the icon of a particular application into an icon that they found online anywhere that they downloaded, have it on their phone, or found it in an icon pack and don't want to just change everything into that very icon style. So I hope this video was helpful. If there's another content that you want me to make, or you have any question for me, drop it in the comment section, as I always reply and read all your comments, and definitely we'll do a video dedicated to you. If you didn't know this, I'm glad I was able to help you. I'll see you in the next video, but don't forget to hit the like, smash the subscribe button to come back for more, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any video that I post. So on that note, I'll see you all later. Peace out.